Hi, I'm Vivian Doumpa. Welcome to my city, Athens. I'm an urban planner and geographer. I'm working on placemaking, and I'm working here together with STIPO and Placemaking Europe to make our cities a little bit better, if possible. We are currently in Varnava Square. It's not exactly a central square of Athens, but it's one of the neighborhoods that's close to the city center, and it has been recently redeveloped, renovated, and during the pandemic, it has become a very vivid place for people to come here and enjoy public space. However, this vividness at some point brought also kind of conflict with the neighborhood because young people also came here to party and enjoy public life as much as possible. So it's a place of negotiation for Athenians. The 15-minute city is a very interesting concept, especially for the Greek cities, because we are somehow already developed that way. They're quite multi-central. The challenge for the Greek cities and for Athens is how to introduce the aspect of participation through placemaking in order to develop the 15-minute city. In placemaking, we have three important aspects. We have the hardware, the software, and the orgware. In Athens, we have been experimenting recently with the hardware. So you will see also in the city center some recent pedestrianizations and cycle lanes. What we still miss is the software. So how do you bring the social capital into the whole placemaking process? And the orgware. How do you create more inclusive and participatory governance around all these mobility measures that the city is currently bringing on? Urban transitions, especially from a point of view of placemaking, are currently in a point that you really need to focus on the data. But data that does not only frame the theory, but relates to what's happening on the ground. We need both quantitative and qualitative data and a negotiation between what's happening on the ground and the research in order to develop further our cities and neighborhoods. I would like to invite people to be more adaptive in what they're doing, be more flexible and open to experiment around urban transformation and not only mobility, and also to be more inclusive in what they're doing, in their way of thinking, and also be on the ground and try things with people.